This is how I built my social media client list from zero, starting with no team, no connections, and no experience. Just strategy and consistency. Welcome to Creator College, a 3-part series where I'm teaching you everything I've learned as a social media manager. In this series, we're covering 3 things: getting clients, retaining clients, getting paid, and getting paid even more. And in this episode, we're going over how to get clients. Step 1, we're assuming that you already have some sort of portfolio. And I'm not saying a huge one, but at least one example of work you can point to that shows I took this project from this to this. For example, I worked on this video and it got XYZ million views. Let's not go crazy. But I worked on this channel and posted consistently 3 times a day, and they grew by 100 followers. It could be so small, but you need something to point to. So we're assuming that you have some sort of portfolio here. It could even be your own work. Building a portfolio I have in a whole other video, but let's start with that. Step 1, having some sort of example you could point to of your work. Step 2, getting a testimonial from that person that you worked on their project. This is a lot, but it's amazing if you can get a video of somebody saying, so-and-so helped me with this project and our videos or our posts got XYZ reach, and it was the best. Just that. Now, once you have those 2 bases, your last and final step is your networking portion of it. And when I say networking, I don't mean the classic, shaking hands, smiling, and introducing yourself. There's a much easier, simpler way, which I kind of like to refer to as baby networking. And this is introducing your work in everything you do. And the point of this is when people need a social media manager, it will come to their mind that you're the person to go to. So everywhere you go, you're telling people this is what you do. When you're meeting people, hanging out, in every casual setting from casual to professional, whenever it comes up, how was your day? You mention your work and the project that you're excited about. And it's an easy way to stick in people's minds. I think the best clients I've had have come from personal referrals, not from outreach. So you're starting with that. After years of telling people this is my job, I can't tell you how many DMs I've gotten from people that I haven't spoken to in a year going, oh yeah, you do social media management, right? Can I hire you for XYZ? So this is the best way to start, telling people about what you do. Don't be shy about it. It can feel like a little awkward at first, but once you get past that, it's very rewarding. My next networking jump is more of classic networking, going to places where you will find your people. And for social media management, one that I really love is VidCon. It's a whole conference dedicated to social media, but you can also go to any other events within your niche. My tip for this is I'm a little bit more introverted than most people at networking events. It's not really my cup of tea, so I bring a super social friend with me, and they're the ones that kind of gets my foot in the door into a conversation. It also just makes me feel more comfortable. They don't even have to be in social media or whatever you're doing, but just having a buddy at an event like this can really help, especially if you're not used to going to these events. The next networking thing you can focus on is posting on social media, posting on your LinkedIn, your Instagram, and saying things that invite people to start conversation. For example, posting about a success you had with one client, or simply posting, I have space for more clients. I'm looking for social media management clients. Lastly, if you've done all these things and you're still not meeting people, another tip I recommend is cold DMs. Now, you're not cold DMing the company that you're trying to network in, you're cold DMing the people in charge of hiring those people. For example, if you want to work for a skincare company, you would look for their hiring manager, their HR people, their PR people, anybody a little bit lower down on the line than the CEO. You're going to want to be DMing them and letting them know, I work in social media management, I see XYZ things that could work for your channel and you should try them. So what this could look like in a week is you're taking care of the client or your own project that you have, actively telling people everywhere from your Pilates class to the coffee shop that you work in social media management, going online and looking for networking events. It doesn't have to be exactly a networking event, but it can be an event related to your niche. So for example, if you want to work with restaurants, you're going to your local farmers market of restaurants. Next, you're posting at least once a week on one platform that you're actively looking for new clients. And you can get creative with this as much as you want. Lastly, you're sending 2 DMs, just finding 2 companies, sending a quick DM. And if you do this consistently for like a month, I swear to you, you will have people knocking down your door to work with you. Now go make something the algorithm won't remember.